Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I got another Seoul Beauty Club box to share with you. This is a Korean beauty care and is a monthly subscription, but I actually get mine every other month because you get full-size items and there's a lot of items to use just in 1 month. So I've spaced mine out and I get them every other month. Also, you get to pick what items that you want in your box. They'll recommend items, but ultimately you get to pick what you want. They're kind of, my impression is there's a set dollar amount. So depending on what you pick, will end up being how many items you get. Now, I have never gotten below 5, I believe. And if you're picking lower priced items, you might get more because there's been some times that I've had to pick a face mask because they're like, pick another one. And that's what was left to pick. So I picked a face mask. But down in the details below, there is a link to this box and a discount code. If this is something that you are interested in getting, check them out. So let's dive into this box. Now, along with the link below, I will put what the monthly price is of the box if you pay monthly. I always buy 3 months in advance because I get a little discount when I do it that way. So, anywhere I can get a discount on a box that I know I'm going to keep, getting, I go that direction. But you will find just a monthly fee down below box. So let me get my goodies out. Now, the size of your box is also going to be dependent upon the size of your items. This is the first time I've seen the gray box like this. I'm used to getting the white one, but as you could see, a couple of my items wouldn't fit in here, so I had a larger box. So, okay, the first item I picked is a modeling mask. It is pore and calming, so it's a powder with a solution that you mix up in your bowl. And let's see here. Reduces pore volume by 121.32% in one use. It's got a cooling effect, reduces skin heat by 117.25 in one use. And then a calming effect improved by 106.12 in one use. I'm wondering, and I don't know because I've never used it, but like if you have a sunburn, would it feel good? I don't know, but let's dig in. And the expiration on this is, well, it's in 2028. I don't know if this is a European date or not, but you've got time. Okay. Whoa. More than one use. Oops. So we have another little applicator here, and we have 4 of these. So here's the powder, and here's the liquid that you use to mix. And I believe, now what I've been used to before is it turned like thick jelly like on my face, and it kind of got solid, and then I was able to pull it off. I'm not 100% sure with this. Let me look here. Well, it's not in English. That might be the case here. Yeah, it must, because they kind of show you going to peel it off. So super excited about this. And I love that I got 4 and a bowl to mix this stuff in as well. So a bowl and a tool to mix it, and then a little tool to apply it. Okay, moving on. What else did I pick out? So here you go. And it is the Seoul Beauty Club. I think I might have said Seoul Beauty Box, but it's the Seoul Beauty Club. The next thing I got was Sparkling Citrus Exfoliating and Waterful Hand Wash. This is by Objet, and we have 380 mils. And this is a citrus floral herb musk type. The top is grapefruit, lemon, orange, bergamot. The mid is jasmine, pine, ginger, rose, eucalyptus, neroli. And the base is musk and amber. Now, what you can get in this box: face care. You can get makeup. And what I say by makeup, I've gotten lip before. I think even maybe before, yeah, let's just stick with the lip for right now. But they have got body care, they've got hair care, hand wash, bath soaps, all different types of facial. So it's really a full skincare and hair care box. Ooh, look at that. So you can see all of the little pieces that is the exfoliating portion. So let's smell it. Okay. Okay, it's heavy on the grapefruit. I'm gonna make a mess. It's heavy on the grapefruit, but now I'm smelling other things as well. It's nice. I'm not a huge fan of grapefruit, but as I smelled a little bit more, the scent was changing. So happy with that as well. All right, moving on. My other items. Okay, unwrap. And I picked everything in here, but right now this is the only thing I remembered. All right, next, is this a different? Yeah. So this is by July Me, Sunset Freesia. This is a damage care perfumed shampoo. It's freesia, pear, green rose, jasmine, amber, and patchouli. Okay. Let's check this out. Oh, that's nice too. Straight up floral, and I like it. Okay, I think that's a good one too. And I'm using now the shampoo we got in, was it the last box? It was the box before. And I am going to do a review of that. It's still on my to-do list, guys. I do have a notebook where I'm keeping track of things I'm going to circle back and review, and it is on that list. Okay, so just when I was saying they do have makeup stuff, what we have here is Raw Glow Gel Tint. And the color is Raw Fig. And there is supposed to be the color. Let's open it up and check it out. This too has an expiration. And I believe they have more than one color for this as well. So I'm wondering, let me read this. Is it, I'm thinking, is it universal where you can use lips and blush? No, it says a glowy gel tint with a juicy, translucent glow that creates healthier, fuller looking lips. All right. Okay. It's got an interesting taste. And yes, I know you're not supposed to taste these things, but you guys, you know, you can't help it. You run your tongues across it. It's kind of like, I think they put a nice flavor to it intentionally, but then, you know, there's another too, but it's not, I don't mind it at all. Wonder if it's fig that I'm kind of tasting. I don't know. But right now I don't really taste anything anymore. So moving on. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know how I was saying that sometimes you got to pick other items to get your total dollar amount? Well, apparently I had to do that because I got some face masks and I got another thing right here. So I've got 2 face masks. The first one is from La Mousse. It is a skin repair signature mask. So there's that one. And then I have an expert soothing mask from AIPPO. This one says this one, it's a triple mint complex containing peppermint, spearmint, apple mint. Never heard of that before. And aloe barbadneus leaf extract. It soothes irritated and sensitive skin. So I'll show that again to you if I haven't already. And then one last item. Okay, so this is Pure Cell Cleansing Gel, Human Stem Cell, CM, Centella, Ashtakia Leaf Extract, and Coconut Fruit Extract. It is by XOUL. Okay, open this. Oops. So here's the bottle. So this box, you get great value. I mean, amazing value. I'll show right here on the screen what that price is for if you're paying monthly, so you can see what I mean by this being great value. So this is a pump. It is a gel to foam type cleanser, which balances skin's natural oil water levels through mild exfoliation. All right, guys, there you have it. Another one of my Seoul Beauty Club. Is that the right term? Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes, Seoul Beauty Club box. This is probably 7th. I was one of the first that bought the subscription a while ago. I want to say maybe a year and a half now. But the value is here. I like that I get a variety of, I can pick body gel, I can pick body lotion, I can pick shampoo, I can pick conditioner, I can put face stuff, lip, hand. I like that you get to pick that variety of things. And I always love it when you get your value. All right, guys, well, there you go. Wrapping up another unboxing. So down in the details is a link if this interests you with a discount code. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in and joining me with another unboxing. So take care, everyone. Bye.